Want to switch carriers but keep your number? Here's how to port out from Total Wireless in 2025. First, you'll need your Total Wireless account number, found on your bill or by calling 1-866-524-0311. Next, request a porting PIN. The fastest way is through the Total Wireless app or website. This PIN is crucial for security and prevents unauthorized transfers. With AI enhancements, expect to receive your PIN within 12 hours. Having both ensures a smooth porting process to your new carrier. Now that you have your account number and PIN, contact your new carrier and provide them with these details, plus your phone number and proof of ownership, like the last 4 digits of your SSN. Remember, your Total Wireless account must be active and in good standing with no outstanding balance over $50. The porting process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Watch out for potential delays during peak seasons. If issues arise, carriers must resolve them within 24 hours. By following these steps, you can seamlessly transfer your number from Total Wireless without hassle.